Good afternoon. My name is Tyler Fears, and today we will be using grc.com's tool ShieldsUP to test my computer's security integrity. So, from the instructions that I got from the Try It section, it says to go to the website grc.com, which I am on. To further access, you will go to the service ShieldsUP, and then upon reaching the ShieldsUP page, that's right here, showing my IP address also. Feel like everybody can see my IP these days. I will further go into reach this page here, and I will get it to check my common ports. As it's checking it right now, showing my IP already. Says that I have failed the true stealth analysis. Passing 2 out of the 3 areas, 2 of the areas for my packets, showing that my ports are providing stealth, but my computer is sending a ping, so that basically showing its visibility. From what I've seen on the section, it says that it's a normal thing because of internet service providers wanting to be able to reach your ping in case of like troubleshooting or any type of connectivity issues. But I think my computer is pretty good. I don't think anybody's can get to it. It's like an iron wall. But that is how you use GRC's ShieldsUP. Thank you.